Introducing Spearmint, KitchenAid's 2026 Colour of the Year. Our Colour of the Year is inspired by nature's most refreshing hue. Spearmint is a revitalising colour that awakens the senses and brings a breath of fresh air into the kitchen. It's an invitation to step into the fresh side. Spearmint inspires your inner maker to feel invigorated yet grounded, turning everyday moments into opportunities to recharge and renew. The mixer has a light, uplifting mint green hue with a tactile sandy finish, which provides a calming yet revitalising energy. Our colour of the year is a KSM 195. Now let me show you all that is included. There are 2 stainless steel bowls, a 4.7 litre stainless steel bowl with a handle and a 2.7 litre stainless steel bowl. A pouring shield, which makes it really easy to add ingredients directly into the bowl, and it also stops any powder puff or splashes when mixing. There are 4 mixing accessories: a wire whisk for adding aeration into ingredients like creams and meringues, a flex edge beater, so this is like the wooden spoon and the spatula of the stand mixer. It mixes and combines ingredients, and the silicone strip assists with scraping the bowl. Dough hook for replicating that kneading action for pizza doughs, bread doughs, and pasta doughs. And also a pastry beater. This is for your short crust and sweet crust pastries. It's also wonderful for shredding meats and does a great mashed potato. And lastly included is a bowl scraper, which makes it really easy to scrape the ingredients out of the bowl. So that is KitchenAid's 2026 Colour of the Year, Spearmint.